Hey guys! Welcome back to another project video. Today, I'm super excited to show you this amazing BMI Calculator app built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. Let's go for the demo first, and then talk about it. I hope you liked the demo. It's a simple one, perfect for beginners. Now, let me show you how to set it up on your PC. Firstly, copy the GitHub link from the description and open the terminal. I hope you have Git installed on your PC. On the terminal, navigate to the desired project location where you want to place this project. Now, type git clone, paste the link you copied, and press enter. After this, you will notice that a new folder has been created, just like in the video. Now open that folder, and you will find 3 files in it: index.html, style.css, and script.js. Open the index.html file with your browser. And there you go. It's completely up and running. Give it a try, and if you face any errors, drop them in the comments. Now, let's move towards the code. The code structure mainly consists of 3 files: the HTML file named main.html, the CSS file named style.css, and the JavaScript file named script.js. It's a simple structure, but as you advance and learn more, this structure will become more and more complex. So, let's begin with the HTML file. This HTML code creates a modern BMI calculator with a simple and user-friendly interface. It uses Bootstrap 5 for styling and layout, along with custom CSS for additional design enhancements. The page begins with the standard HTML structure, defining metadata such as character encoding and viewport settings to ensure responsiveness on different devices. The Bootstrap 5 CSS framework is linked externally, allowing for responsive and pre-styled components. A separate custom style sheet, style.css, is included for additional styling. Inside the body tag, the main content is wrapped within a Bootstrap container, which centers the calculator and provides spacing. The calculator itself is enclosed within a card-like structure, with additional styling using a custom class called glasscard. At the top of the card, a heading displays the title BMI Calculator in a centered and bold format. Next, there are 2 input fields for the user to enter weight and height. The input fields use Bootstrap's form control class for consistent styling. A button labeled Calculate BMI triggers the BMI calculation when clicked. The result is displayed inside a div with the ID result. Now, let's move forward to the CSS file. This CSS file styles the BMI calculator with a modern glassmorphism effect, gradient backgrounds, and smooth interactions. The body of the page has a diagonal gradient background transitioning from blue to purple, ensuring a full viewport height and centering the content using Flexbox. The main card, which contains the calculator, has a semi-transparent white background with a frosted glass effect achieved using a blur filter. It also features rounded corners, a subtle shadow for depth, and white text for contrast. The input fields have a semi-transparent background, no borders, and white text, with placeholders appearing in a lighter shade. When focused, the input fields become slightly brighter and remove the default browser outline. The metric and imperial unit selection toggle buttons are designed using Flexbox for alignment and spacing. The default radio buttons are hidden, and the labels are styled with a semi-transparent background, rounded corners, and a pointer cursor. When selected, the toggle label becomes brighter, turns black for contrast, and has bold text. The Calculate BMI button has a gradient background transitioning from pink to light peach, with a smooth scale animation when hovered. And now, the final and most important part, JavaScript. This JavaScript file handles the functionality of the BMI calculator, supporting both metric and imperial units. When the page loads, an event listener updates the input labels based on the selected unit system. The Calculate BMI function retrieves the selected unit system and reads the user inputted weight and height values. It validates the inputs and applies the correct formula based on the unit type. If the BMI is below 18.5, the user is categorized as underweight. A BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 is considered normal weight. A BMI between 25 and 29.9 falls into the overweight category. A BMI of 30 or higher classifies the user as obese. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care and happy coding.